both Degroof and Petercam have long expertise, which are very complementary. That again is also very good because it gives us much more firepower, let's say, in an environment which is quite difficult.
So Frederic, who is Degroof Petercam and what do they do?
Well, Degroof Petercam is a new financial institution. That being said, it's new from a legal or organizational point of view. However, our roots go back to the year 1871, when Bank Degroof was founded, and Petercam has its origins in the 1920s. And the founding families of those respective entities are today the major or the majority shareholder of the combined entity, which is very good because it gives us a strong footing of a long-term shareholder, a strong commitment. And we are Belgian-based, our roots are Belgian, but we are expanding into Europe and have actually a presence in the major European countries.
So what were the reasons behind this merger?
Basically to grow. We want to grow within Europe, a little bit outside of our home markets, which are Belgium and Luxembourg, where we are a household name, but we are not really that well known yet in the other countries. We are in the process of changing that. And we also want to grow our four business lines, which are institutional asset management, private banking, corporate finance and brokerage, and last but not least, asset services. And especially in the institutional space, both Degroof and Petercam have long expertise, which are very complementary. That again is also very good because it gives us much more firepower, let's say, in an environment which is quite difficult.
So what does this mean for investors in Switzerland, and what makes Degroof Petercam stand out from its competitors?
Well, we have been in Switzerland for the last 50 years. And out of the four business lines I just mentioned, two are present in Switzerland, in Geneva, namely the private banking and the institutional asset management side. And in Switzerland, we want to grow also, or especially, I would say. We see it as a key market. To give you an example, on the private banking side, we have hired recently 3 new relationship managers in the last months. On the institutional asset management side, we have hired 1 person in the last weeks, going from 21 people to now 25 within a few months, which is a little bit unusual in our time because many banks actually are doing the opposite, laying people off. But we are a very entrepreneurial company. We see opportunities. And I think our clients, be they private or institutional, they like it because we can provide them with hands-on investment solutions. And we do that. We do that with quite successfully on the institutional asset management side, especially in some niche. We have some niche expertise in some niches like European REITs, high yield or emerging market debt.
Well, thank you, Frederic Guibaud, for joining us today in the studio. It's been a pleasure hearing about this merger.
Thank you, guys.
And thank you at home for watching. Don't forget you can catch Frederic's previous interviews by clicking on our channel. Goodbye for now.